Hello guys, welcome back to Upto Brain. In this video, we're gonna talk about SushiSwap. So let's start this video with the first question. What is SushiSwap? SushiSwap is an example of an automated market maker, an increasingly popular tool among cryptocurrency users. AMMs are decentralized exchanges which use smart contracts to create market for any given pair of tokens. SushiSwap launched in September 2020 as a fork of Uniswap, the AMM which has become synonymous with the decentralized finance movement and associated trading boom in DeFi tokens. SushiSwap aims to diversify the AMM market and also add additional features not previously present on Uniswap, such as increased rewards for network participants via its in-house token Sushi. Let's move on to the next question. Who are the founders of SushiSwap? SushiSwap was founded by a pseudonymous entity known only as Chef Nomi. Little is known about Chef Nomi his or her impetus for forking off from Uniswap. The project has two other pseudonymous co-founders, SushiSwap and 0x Maki, also known as Just Maki. Between them, they handle SushiSwap's code, product development, and business operations. More recently, de facto ownership of SushiSwap was passed to Sam Bankman-Fried, CEO of derivatives exchange and quantitative trading startup Alameda Research. Bankman-Fried is a well-known participant and cryptocurrency market commentator, regularly appearing in media interviews. Let's move on to the third question. What makes SushiSwap unique? SushiSwap primarily exists as an AMM, through which automated trading liquidity is set up between any two cryptocurrency assets. Its main audience is DeFi traders and associated entities looking to capitalize on the boom in the project token and create liquidity. AMMs do away with order books entirely while avoiding problems such as liquidity issues, which hamper traditional decentralized exchanges. SushiSwap aims to improve on the offerings of its parent, Uniswap, by increasing the impact users can have on its own operations and futures. The platform takes 0.3% cut from transactions occurring in its liquidity pool, while its Sushi token is used to reward users' portion of those fees. Sushi also entitles users to governance right. Now let's move on to the price prediction of Sushi. You guys can see the price prediction on your screen. Here comes the year 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2026. So guys, that was our take on SushiSwap token. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel Upto Brain.